Building a website is more than just building a website. Anyone can build a website these days using a free website builder. But building a website that actually works for your business is totally different. I'm Kit. I've been designing websites for over 20 years. I've watched trends and technology come and go, but one thing hasn't changed. If your website needs to build credibility or sell products or grow your business, you need more than just a website, you need a strategic approach. Web design is about much more than looks. It's about understanding your customers, their needs, their wants, their behaviours. It's about designing with human psychology in mind, so your site feels natural to use. It's about showcasing your brand consistently and professionally, structuring your content to flow naturally, so you're guiding users towards the right actions. It's about optimizing for search engines, for AI, for local SEO, so people can actually find you. And of course, it's about leveraging the latest tools and technologies to make sure that your site is performing. At its core, your website creates an experience. It leads people through your story step by step with the right calls to action in the right places in order to convert a website visitor into a customer. That's the difference between building a website and building a website that works.